Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add or remove shortcut from your desktop site. So you can see CapCut shortcut here. So I'm gonna delete it. Okay, from here you can either delete it. You can see CapCut shortcut has removed, but your apps not uninstall or remove your PC. I'm gonna show it here. Here you can see your CapCut app installed to your PC. If you want to take it again your desktop site, copy from here. Yeah, so again you can add shortcut in desktop site by this method. Thank you everyone for watching my videos.